Okay guys, so we have our new Casio G-Shock DW-5000R. This is a recreation of the original 1983 G-Shock. It features a stainless steel crew, back case, bio-based resin components, and core digital watch functions. So let's do the unboxing here. The package looks very classic in a cardboard, and this is available in India at approximately 15K. So here you can see imported by Casio India Private Limited, and here is its PR code. So let's do the unboxing. Put this aside. And here is our main hero, the watch. And the exclusivity of this watch is that it is manufactured completely in Japan, so it's not a cheap Thai made product. And you can see DW-5000 since 1983, as I mentioned, a recreation of original first ever G-Shock. And here's some history about it. Since the debut in 1983, the very first G-Shock, and manufactured at Yamagata, Japan. So let's roll over what we get here. Okay, keep this aside. There's some literature with the MRP. And then here's the packaging. Boxing this. Okay, guys, here it is. So it's a very classic G-Shock. As you can say that it is having a very classic layout. Weekday, month, date, and then the time, and I think it has the illumination function as well. Okay, now look at the back case. It's all steel. That's what G-Shock has mentioned. Yes, so here it is. And shock resistance. There's a unique barcode also provided. Not sure if I can show this. Yeah, here it is, the unique barcode. And then as you can see, it's made in Japan. So beautiful piece. Let me try it, how it looks at my wrist. And it feels a bit heavy because of the steel casing. Oh, looks pretty cool, isn't it? So guys, Casio G-Shock 1983 recreation, the first ever Casio G-Shock produced. So thank you so much for watching this.